Next up, Contractual Obligation for Phalanx. In this, we need to complete 8 contracts of unique types in a single deployment. Now for this, I'd recommend doing this on Al Mazrah, but pretty much any old map will work, as all of them should have 8 different contract types. Al Mazrah is just a lot more open, and you have much less chance of running into enemy players until you get to the Hunt Squad mission, which you may or may not have to do if you run out of types. So that's not the best. Anyways, we'll verify how many missions we can do when we get into a map just before we start stressing. So obviously, while you're doing these missions, I'd highly recommend keeping a notepad or something along with you in real life or on your PC that you can quickly tab into so you can write down whatever mission or contract you just did. This way we won't do the same type of contract twice, which should save us quite a bit of time. So zooming in, we'll start with a secure supplies mission as it's relatively quick. So we'll grab it, and there's no vehicles nearby, sadly. So hopefully we can finish this in a good amount of time. Oh, that's not good. And obviously you do need to complete these missions. You can't just cancel them and call it a day. So this mission is usually not so bad, but there are enemy players in my area, and it's pushing me over in their direction too. That's great. In fact, it seems like they're even on the ship. Cool. Well, I need to get onto the ship and loot it in order to continue. Seems like he's busy watching over something, so maybe we can slip out and get past him. This is definitely not ideal. In fact, I think they literally passed over me as I was swimming there. Yikes. And there's no way up here. Okay, so I'm going the long way around. I don't think there's players up here still. Let's grab this and be done with the first mission type. So this was secure supplies. I'll write that down and we'll go for the next type, ship cargo. Good enough. I'm pretty sure that ship cargo and the delivery mission are similar, but should count as separate missions, or so I'd hope. Unfortunately, we need to get quite far over there, but at least it takes us away from players, hopefully. Also, I think it may bring some enemies in my direction. Maybe not though. Seems like them in a car, so it seems like they left, maybe? Yeah, I definitely think so. Cool. So we'll grab this and continue with our mission. Sweet. This is a ship cargo, so it should be different to deliver cargo or whatever that mission's called, where we take around a truck instead of a boat. Okay, cool. So getting this picked up here, we should have then completed a ship cargo mission. So I'll get this written down as well. Ship cargo. Next up, we'll do destroy supplies. Sounds good enough. This mission takes a little bit longer, but it should be easy enough to do. And then right next door, we have a deliver cargo mission, which I think is different and hopefully is different. Okay, so grabbing this, where do we need to go? Over there. So this area seems cleared out already. Cool. We'll plant here and go for the next one. And here's a car as well that we can return with. There are enemies around here. Yikes. Okay, so this is definitely going to hold us back. Cool. So we'll go ahead and finish the second part of this mission and sneakily get out of here. Alright, we'll wait for this to go off and we should be able to pick up the delivery contract, which was somewhere here. So I'll write down destroy supplies, we'll wait for it to go off, and now we'll grab the deliver cargo mission here. Seems someone's doing a similar mission to the one that I just did, but at least we got out of there in time. Okay, so we'll pick up this one here, and we'll need to head to up here, I think, somewhere. No, right in front of us. Perfect. This will at least take us far away as well, so we won't need to worry about players too much. Now we just have a huge distance to travel. Now the sad thing about this mission is it's usually the amount of damage that you'll take from hills and mountains and AI compared to the damage that you'll get from the helicopter chasing you. That'll really screw you over here. Great, so minimal pushback from AI. I'm pretty sure we'll have this done in no time, and this is deliver cargo, so we're at 3 out of 8. Will we get 4 out of 8? I sure hope so. Friendly, 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 friendly. And of course they took everything from me, but at least we have an eliminate squad contract to do. So maybe we can help them with this, I suppose. A bit sad that they took everything from me, but whatever. It is what it is. We'll quickly find the squad, and I suppose at least this is the most difficult kind of mission out of the way. And hey, would you look at that? We'll pick them up. And now we've done Hunt Squad and Deliver Cargo. So that is 5, and we have 5 out of 8 done. We've done Destroy Supplies. Yes, we've done Hunt Squad. We'll do Nuclear Materials next, I suppose. It's a bit far away, but it's as close as we'll get. So we've distracted them with enemies in the area. They'll be after them while we go ahead and do our Nuclear Material mission. It's great that that friendly player delivered us those self-revives, so we'll put them to good use. Grabbing this very slow vehicle, we'll make our way to it and hopefully do it quickly. So we'll grab it here, and hopefully the thing that we need to grab is close by. Where's the Geiger counter? There it is. So we'll quickly grab this here and search the area nice and quick. There we go. There's the first one. And the second one is over in the direction behind us. So we'll grab this and head for the next mission type. Secure Intel is one that we haven't. Cool. So we'll go ahead and do this Secure Intel mission now, which is all the way over there. Perfect. Hopefully they can grab it. I don't know if they will. No, they won't. Cool. Well, that's great. I guess I'll be going over there myself. Oh no, there we go. Sweet. Now we'll head across to the radio tower and upload the data. We'll also grab another vehicle here in the meanwhile. So that's Secure Intel, and that should take us to 7. There's one more type, but I can't think of it right now. So we'll wait for this upload to complete, and we'll head over to our last mission type. So what is the last mission type? Probably rescue hostage. This one is going to take quite a bit of time to do, and hopefully we can do it. It's next to the exfil somewhat, so maybe we'll be able to do it. It will give us a private exfil, so maybe our teammates will be interested in helping us, but anyways, we didn't get off on the best of terms. Maybe we'll end on better ones, but at least we can grab the mission, start it, and hopefully finish it somewhere in this area. So with tons of teammates, this should be a little bit easier, hopefully. I'm pretty sure the hostage will be all the way on the very top, so maybe we can skip the entire fight anyway. So we'll simply skip all the way to the top, as this is probably where the hostage is held, and we'll go for it. Okay, well, not on the very top here, maybe down here. Nope, on the very first floor. There we go. So we'll just help out our teammates here by clearing out some AI on the way to the heli. And here we go. And with this, we should hopefully finish the mission as soon as we put them down. There we go. So is the mission completing? Come on, come on. There we go. Contractual obligation for Phalanx is now complete. Perfect. That was quite a difficult mission, a bit stressful, but at least it was done. So anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.